for the audience purpose, would you like to explain what basically a category manager does? What are some of the key KPIs which are there for a category manager?
For somebody who's on this side of the table, and while I was at Udan, your primary task is to cater to the brand that you are a category lead for, or rather the brand that you're managing and the category that you're managing. So yeah, so as a category lead, I was assigned those larger brands that I talked about. So the likes of Apple, Samsung, etc., and a few other brands. So your primary task is to ensure that you're doing well by those brands. And when I say that, it means that you have to track day-to-day sales for those brands, the number of outlets that those brands are getting billed at, uh, the nature of billing that is happening. So you can't only look at volumes, you have to look at a category of billing that is happening. So whether accessories are getting billed or not, whether within devices, what kind of price brackets are getting billed. So if you only look at volumes and you kind of index on that, any FOS on ground could sell the cheapest value devices and you would be happy about it. Hence, you have to look across price categories. You have to look at inventory levels because the brands will continue to bill you. But at the same time, you have to ensure that you are at a decent enough inventory level. And hence, what are the kind of discounts, promotions, etc., that you have to run. Then you would also look at what are the kind of visibility that you have on the website that is appealing to, let's say, the end customer. In our case, it was the retailer. So, which kind of visibility elements are making sense? Where are you getting more traction traffic and where are the drop offs happening? कुछ फटा तो नहीं है, कुछ issue तो नहीं है, and you would look at that. Then you would look at that. I mean, you could cut that across multiple states, territories, etc. Where are you doing well? Where are you not doing so well? And hence you would look at all those parameters in tow. So there'd be lead indicators that you would build and lag indicators that you would build in terms of share, etc., and how it is trending. And one primary aspect for us was also to look at the return rates. So returns would screw up your P&L, right? So where are the returns peaking? Which category, device, etc., are the returns peaking at? And hence you would try and ensure that anything that's gone amiss in that category, maybe device के साथ charger नहीं जा रहा, maybe there is a genuine issue with the device, and hence you would go back and forth with the brand to figure out what is the best possible way to sell a particular category device, etc., that is causing you problems. So hence, while you're doing best or doing good for the brand that you're working with, you also have to look at your own P&L along the way, and you have to look at how you can best manage that within the confines that the brand has established for you.